In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and utilize some of the key features on the HubSpot platform using the app na2.hubspot.com domain. This guide focuses on accessing the user guide and performing some data integrations effectively. So let's dive right in and get you acquainted with these essential tasks. First, you'll need to access the user guide on HubSpot. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL for HubSpot's user guides, or simply use the direct link you have if it's accessible. This page is your go-to resource for all things related to navigating and using HubSpot effectively. It's a rich library filled with manuals and walkthroughs to help you maximize your experience with their tools. Once you've arrived at the guide page, you'll want to locate the section titled Data Integration. Clicking on this option is crucial as it is the gateway to understanding how to connect various data sources with your HubSpot account. The integration capabilities are powerful tools that allow you to streamline your workflows, ensuring all your data is cohesively managed in one space. A handy tip when navigating the user guide is to make use of the search functionality if you're ever unsure where to find a particular topic. This can save you time scrolling through multiple sections and help you find the specific content you need quickly. On reaching the data integration section, you will want to understand the basics of how HubSpot allows for these integrations. This might involve connecting your CRM with email marketing tools, analytics platforms, or even other data warehouses. This feature is vital for maintaining consistency and accuracy across different business tools, ensuring you have a single source of truth for all your metrics and customer information. As you engage with this part of that guide, pay attention to any requirements or permissions you might need to set up beforehand. For instance, having administrative rights is often necessary to initiate or approve connections with third-party services. This ensures your data remains secure and that you maintain control over what is shared and synchronized across platforms. Throughout the guide, HubSpot provides detailed instructions and helpful visuals to aid you through each step. Remember, if at any point you find yourself stuck, their support and community forums are excellent resources for troubleshooting and advice from other users who might have faced similar challenges. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should have a clearer understanding of how to access and utilize HubSpot's user guide for data integrations, enabling you to leverage your data more effectively. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has made you feel more confident in navigating HubSpot's extensive capabilities. Until next time, happy integrating!